What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm just going to be showing you what you're going to rub on your Piiman, and it's gonna get large. If you're actually aiming to get a larger Piiman, this is actually going to help you, and also is also going to help you for penetration. Like, you are going to be the master when you start using this natural remedy, and it's just going to be so great. Okay, so if you did love this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit that bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, drop them on my website. And now let's dive into talking about and showing you how to do this, guys. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Yeah, I love to see you there. Okay, so this I have here is grapeseed oil. Now, in the absence of grapeseed oil, you can actually use olive oil for this, okay, or coconut oil. Any of those you can actually use it, but this is organic grapeseed oil. If you can get it, it's gonna be very perfect. Okay, and this is cinnamon powder. Okay, cinnamon powder is a spice used for cooking, so you can actually buy cinnamon powder in a shop where they sell spices, like dry spices. Okay, it's just gonna help you. All right, so what you're just gonna do is to take half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and you're going to take about 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Okay, I just turned that in because I obviously know the measurement. So what you're gonna do next is to turn this, you stir it. All right, so use this to increase your Piiman and for easy penetration. All right, so let me show you how you're just going to apply this, guys, but I'm just going to be showing you with the help of cucumber. So assuming this is your Piiman, guys, I'm going to be using a brush to show you so you don't have to misinterpret this video. Now what you do is that you have to take this mix, okay, and then you apply it over your Piiman like this. Apply it generously, okay. And apply it, make sure it does not get into your body through this side. Okay, so you apply it generously. Now after that, you can hold it. Now this procedure has to be done when you are actually going to take your bath or something, so you can actually hold it for like 10 to 15 minutes. You know, when you're done holding that, then you can just wash it off with a normal water. Now the residue, which is gonna be the oil, you don't have to like clean it. Okay, if it's something you have to let the oil be there so it can stimulate that particular place to increase in size. Okay, so this is actually what you're going to do every morning for the space of weeks, and you're going to see a lot of improvement, guys. Now how this is going to help you for easy penetration. Now when you're done applying it, you just wash it off. Let me show you what I mean. Now I just finished washing this cucumber with just water, and this is how glossy and shiny it's actually looking. Now that is actually because the grapeseed oil is still on this cucumber, so it's just going to still be on your Piiman when you apply it, so that it's just going to, you know, help for easy penetration. You know what I mean? Okay, so that's it, guys. So that's how you're going to get a bigger Piiman and for easy penetration also. And for this one, you can actually keep it it will stay as long as you want it to stay, okay, and then you keep applying it and you're good to go. Okay, so that's basically it. Very simple and very natural. So if you did love this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And for these guys, you might decide to use it every day and give it to your friend. Share the video so they can see it and learn it, okay, because this is actually very effective. Okay, don't underestimate it, don't underrate it and be like, oh no, it's just grapeseed, or yes, it does work. All right, follow me on Instagram and I'll see you next in my video. Bye guys, and stay